What do you do when you have a shed with the roof that's damaged from coconuts? First of all, this shed is a very pathetic design. See, just aluminum. There's no plywood underneath to give it reinforcement. So, say somebody didn't know and they went up there to walk. Maybe they stood up there to cut the coconuts down and they would fall through the roof because there's no support. Very stupid. So I removed the damaged piece of aluminum there, and I got some new flashing that I'm going to use. First, what I had to do was I had to remove these old screws, and they were so rusted out that you couldn't even unscrew them. So I had to basically pry them out. Just in the area, see, just about half of this roof section here, I'm going to put plywood under it. So when the coconuts in the future fall, hopefully the roof will be able to handle it. Here's the roof with the wood inside. This you're going to have to attach with some screws to hold it. And the flashing is going to come over this. See how the old piece is done? And that piece has to come over and attach to the plywood. And then it just goes over like that up there. You need to make sure that you put the new flashing underneath the old flashing, because the water is going to run this way. If you put this piece on top, the water would get inside onto the plywood. Same thing for the next piece. You're going to put it under this piece. Then I'm going to use small screws and washers and screw this in under here, so that way the screws are not exposed. See under there, I have it screwed in. And I have my next piece here. It's not quite long enough, so what I'm going to do is go down there and use some of the old stuff that's not damaged and put it in that area. Here's what it looks like finished, the repair. This overlaps over here. Only thing is I'm not quite sure about this here and this replacement piece I put in. Because see, either way, if I put this on top, there was still a chance that water could get in. So hopefully this is gonna work. I mean, I'm not an expert at roofing, but I know some. Like I know this area here. See, from here to here to here, this is correct, so the water can't get inside unless there's wind blowing. If anybody knows in the comments how I could put this piece on here better, then leave a comment, because I just don't like it over here because water can get under it now. But if I put it the other way, then it's kind of the same deal. Water might still be able to get in there too, so I'm not sure how to do that. Or maybe there is no good way to do that except to replace the whole piece.